Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken ukad. Start by trimming chicken and patting it dry, then combine ginger, garlic, green chilies, turmeric, salt, and a splash of oil. Massage the marinade into each piece thoroughly and let it rest covered for 30 minutes. Prepare a steamer with simmering water, layer banana leaves or foil, and arrange chicken spaced apart. Steam until cooked through and aromatic, then serve hot with rice or flatbread. Measure your spices and aromatics before you start for a smooth cooking flow. Chop ginger and garlic finely or grind into a paste with green chilies for consistent heat. Toss chicken with turmeric, salt, and oil so the spices cling evenly, then fold in curry leaves or cilantro for freshness. Banana leaves or foil help retain moisture while steaming, and resting the cooked chicken briefly lets juices redistribute for tender results. Arrange the marinated chicken with a little space between pieces to allow steam circulation. Maintain a steady simmer and steam until juices run clear and larger pieces reach a safe internal temperature. Avoid lifting the lid too often, as heat loss prolongs cooking. Once done, let the chicken rest a few minutes to settle the juices, then finish with lemon or a spoonful of ghee for shine and flavor before serving with simple sides.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.